Right, hi guys, this is a Wednesday morning on the way to work. It's 6:43, heading south on the M1, and look at this like that. Yeah, Dave, how am I coming through now, mate? I ain't moved very far, but I've gone underneath that bridge.
Yeah, no problem, mate. Yeah, you're okay. I've got a lot of noise on here this morning, so perhaps it's a change in the weather, Steve. Okay, I'll give it a minute or so and you'll be up that next spot and you'll be back up and running again. QSK, you are then. Roger, 908. Good afternoon, Paul. It's a wonder your ears were burning because we were talking about you only just a few minutes ago. Yeah, there's only about 2 survivors on this afternoon there, Paul. Myself, Charlie Tango 2444, and Steve, Charlie Tango. Oh, if you want to give Steve a shout, I'm sure he'd appreciate it.
Yeah, I think that was Paul. I've only just got you. I'm suffering with noise at the minute, mate, but good to hear you. Are you the guy that was up on the Hog's Back? Yeah, Jim, I can't hear a thing at the minute, mate. Okay, Charlie Tango 908, Mr. Paul Mobile, 318 Mobile for you. How about it?
Yes, good afternoon, Steve. I am getting you Radio 4, £3, over.
Yeah, got you. Are you actually moving at the moment, Paul, or have you parked up?
No, I am moving. I usually get about 10 minutes of time where I'm at high level and I can get you guys on the way home.
Yeah, good. It's glad.
I've got some of that, Steve, about the YouTube channel. I'll have a look at that tonight while the missus is indulged in her soap.
Yeah, okay, mate. I'll try and remember your call sign and use your call sign in the title somewhere, so it should come up pretty easy. But if you know how to find my videos, you'll find it. I can't guarantee it will be tonight because I've got a backlog of video waiting to be approved for this, that and the other, and others to edit and upload as well, mate. But take it across the gym, Paul.
Jim on the key this time there, Paul. Paul, can you quickly give us your precise location, roughly your location there? Because I know roughly whereabouts you are, but I know you're on that high bit
I'll give it a go. I must admit, I'm in traffic. I've just passed the garage. It gives off a lot of noise. But come on, Paul, let's have you. Yeah, roger, roger. There's a QSK out there, Jim, as well. Unfortunately, there's quite a bit of noise on here. Yeah, it surely is. I know someone's there, but I'm not getting them very well at all. I think they said they would call back in, but when that was, I don't know, Jim.
On the side?